Hey everyone, and welcome back. This week the front yard is finally getting some love. The new bedroom's floor is being demoed, and we're going on a mushroom hunt. Oh. Wow.
What is that called?
I don't, front loader? No.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Look how friendly she is.
I know. Building inspector on site.
She's like, what's this? This is new.
Yeah.
Ah, Jenny.
Yeah, spa day.
It's crazy how close she gets to us.
Mm-hmm.
So we are learning boundaries, manners.
A plus student.
Yay! What do you think? That looks great. I was excited.
Well, we got this much of the square done, and then most of these filled, but we actually want them higher, so I'm thinking probably another truckload, maybe two. We also gotta do the front of the house, like around the maple. I know. Bauer 4.5-inch circular saw from Harbor Freight. You served us well. You're the real MVP. You'll be missed. No match for this renovation, even though you've been through, gosh, so much flooring. How much floor do you think we've cut up with this thing?
God, I don't know how much flooring, but a lot.
Yeah, we did the kitchen, we cut up all the subfloor and the bathroom, and who knows how much plywood and stuff for the dump it has torn through. Oh well. We got our $200, was it?
Yeah,
Include the
I
batteries.
got $200 worth of it, but
Yeah.
reliability of Bauer, bam.
Yeah.
And of course, we didn't buy the replacement on it because we didn't feel like it was worth it.
Yep.
So,
Yep. Progress on hold until a replacement is purchased. A little bit of a sag with a full load.
it's good to put rock in the dirt. I gotta put, I think I'm gonna put cloth on it.
Yeah.
I'll put them first and then you go around and see how you like what you want.
Okay. I actually don't mind what you set up. The only thing that I would like to see different is these arrow grasses along back in that area, the tall ones, and that way all the low stuff is towards the front. That's the only thing.
About that. Do you think that lavender will hide it?
Maybe.
Yeah.
All right.
Cool.
I like this arrangement.
Okay, so where do you want to start? Get your topsoil. Make sure it's like a 12 inches. Hold on, do my foot here. That's about 7. So yeah, that sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Make sure you're in the middle here of the paver. Or yeah, that's what we're doing in the middle of this paver.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool.
I also want it probably big enough for enough rainwater to get in. You said this is, it does look meshy, doesn't it?
Yeah, it has water goes through it. Permeable.
Permeable.
Jesus. Don't have to need more of this. Like the whole thing?
Yeah, feel like there's this too.
That's gonna be a big hole.
Put this one in.
Stop at 6:30.
Okay. Put this one in, and maybe another one.
Plants up front then. Yeah?
Yeah.
Unload the soil too.
This is the dirt we're removing from that front bed to plant our plants, and they're going in that bed. Gunther is on one. But to save on soil, throw in these random chunks that are unsplittable in here. So that's gonna bulk it up a little bit, and it can break down and, you know, create an environment. We still have plenty of daylight, but it is 6:30 and I am absolutely starving. So we're calling it for day. We weren't even planning on planting plants today. We just went to Home Depot to get a new tool, and here we are. Sometimes it just happens like that. You gonna help? This is the new guy. We got our first cobalt tool. All right, Doug, help me set the depths. What do you think? Ripping out old flooring is very loud, so I am hunkering down in a coffee shop, but Ames is keeping me updated on progress.
So we decided to rip out this hardwood flooring. I know probably on camera, I mean, I have drywall mud and everything else on this floor, but people have said to refinish it, and we just kind of know how damaged it is by actually seeing how deep the scratches are. And thank God that, you know, it is costly to do. And here's my Frenchie who has the best nose in the planet. You wouldn't think a Frenchie can smell things, but he spots the mold right here. And I'm sure that these people had water damage and they just had them refinished, and you couldn't see it on the surface, but of course it's underneath. And so it's gonna be interesting to see how far this goes back. Found some more mold. So this board has got a lot on it.
Hi. How's it going?
Almost done.
All right. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, every spot that's black, it's just the paper. Paper stopped it from going down to the subfloor. So that's good. So it's just contained. But this spot here is really bad. Really bad here. Really bad here. This is where Holland smelled it out. Was right here. That guy, I swear to God, I need to teach him how to smell for truffles. Alright, so I'm just gonna finish ripping this up, clean myself up, take lunch, load all this crap into the truck, take a load to the dump, then I'll take a load to the dump in the morning, finish ripping this out. So let's go ahead and skip it.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, it seems so much smaller when it's...
Well, I also loaded some in the first load too, and I had to take the rest of it.
That's true. How much of today's destruction do you think you took? Half?
No.
Less than? More than?
Oh yeah, like, not even a quarter of that. I had a bunch of it already sitting out here.
Right.
Sorry, I got a method to my madness here. Make a mess, clean it up. Hardest part about it is to get the start point. So I have to rip that up from the side to get in to be able to clean it
Oh,
up.
yeah, because you have no...
Yeah. So it's hard.
Yeah.
So. Well, this will be cleaner than the original. They just left all the drywall mud from, I mean, it's cleaned up most of it, but there's just like, see, there's just tons of it. Right here, look at that. That's all original drywall plaster from when they did the house.
Vintage 1964 plaster.
Yep. So, I mean, these boards are in great condition, except for we have some mold, so we'll just spray some hydrogen peroxide on it to kill spores.
Yeah.
It's crazy, and the greens, there's the original green paint that we found. There's some right here in the middle too. I scraped up most of it.
Oh, yeah. Minty.
Yep.
All vacuum vacuumed up and scraped up, and all the moldy spots sprayed with peroxide. This may have come from, there's a spigot on the other side there. So it may have originated there. We did have all of the spigots and everything, you know, replumbed, so it shouldn't recur. Yeah, ready for the next phase.
I think you pretty much got it. I remember those pinks were together, and I think the purples were near this corner,
Yeah,
and the
and all the
grasses were
grasses.
around this corner.
Okay, so
I
that's
think,
close.
yeah, I think you nailed it. It's getting orderly.
Too orderly.
Yeah. So maybe I'll set this one forward a little bit more.
Yeah,
so,
it is forward. That's
okay,
why I put it
so
there.
it's not intentional without being strict.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot that knife.
Day 3, and we actually went and got more plants yesterday, but I think that is done just ahead of the rain that's supposed to come this evening. So perfect timing. Our little turkey comes by because this is all dirt and comes in here and has a dust bath. Yeah, you better leave her alone. You having a dust bath too? Oh, yeah. Douglas. Yeah. Oh, she's gonna get you. You guys gonna be friends now? Dark chocolate peanut butter porter. Oh my god, it's 9.2% ABV. Yeah.
You go back and get you some more?
Kinda. Don't you poop in here.
Donuts, there's fucking burnout marks.
As a late birthday present for Ames, I booked a guided morel hunt with our friends.
Get a good picture of that so I don't mess up.
Oh yeah, it's like leathery.
Yep.
There, oh, and there's a look, there's a newt under it. Big guy. Get it, Ames. You're the birthday girl.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
He's a little old.
Like a free beetle. I don't want to cut it all the way through. But that's, okay. Yeah, there's definitely some little squirmies in there. Sorry, Ames. I got to toss your morel. Come have a look. Do you see the little creepy crawlies in there?
Oh, yeah. He looked a little dry. He'd been sitting there for a little bit.
Yep.
Look at that big. Pick him. Bag.
Got my bag. There's a nettle right there.
These are a little slug eating.
Yeah, we got plenty because it's only gonna be me eating them because I know she doesn't like them.
Yeah.
They taste too seafoody.
The nights have still been pretty cold, so we didn't have much luck. About halfway in, the rain started up. Since we haven't been finding much anyway, we called it early.